Today, 18th June, is World Allergy Day. We are trying to create awareness about allergy. Now, allergies are of different kind. It can be nose allergy, it can be lung allergy, it can be skin allergy, or it can be abdominal allergies, or it can be a drug allergy. So, different types of allergies are there. So, because I am an ENT surgeon, I will tell you about nasal allergies, which are presenting as sneezing. It can present as nose block, it can present as redness of the eyes, or it can present as a difficulty in breathing, because that can cause lot of troubles. So this is one spectrum which is mild. The other spectrum of nasal allergies is you can have an anaphylactic reaction, that is suddenly you will have difficulty in breathing and choking sensation, you will not be able to breathe, suddenly your cardiovascular systems will react and you are going to collapse. So that is the other spectrum of a allergy. So there are two spectrums. One. So another thing is, like, allergies are either a seasonal allergy or a perennial allergy. Now seasonal allergies are present when you have change of seasons, like when you are from summer to winter or towards rainy season, and otherwise you have a change from winter to again summers. So these are the change of seasons where you present as allergic problems. Now how do we get an allergy? Allergies are basically presented as these symptoms, but how do we get is there are pollens, that is flower pollinate, then we have danders, dust, mites, AC, there is some dust which is accumulated. All these can cause allergies. Then there is some food allergies also. So whenever you take this kind of thing, you start having redness of eyes and nose blocks and sneezing, and then this. Now these are basically long chronic problems. So what we can do is we can create awareness about prevention. So if you want to prevent such kind of things, like you don't want to have an allergy, you should find out to all those things which you are allergic to and prevent them. That is, you avoid them. So there is no treatment for this, you can only do is avoidance. So avoidance is how to avoid. Avoidance is like, if you are allergic to pollens, dirt, so please don't go to gardens early morning, because that will change a problem. Then please don't do dustings. If you are avoiding to that, carpet in your house, don't do sweeping on it, you just can do a vacuum cleaning on it. So you will get the things. Next is, similarly, if you have a food allergy, prevent allergy. Don't take lot of cool drinks and all those things, because that can cause an allergic reactions. These are basically a hypersensitivity immune reactions to the surrounding tissues. So prevention is one. Then if you are still not been able to do it and you want to do the thing, then you have some treatment. So treatment can be, the best treatment is intranasal steroids, local steroids, which can be used for 1-2 months, stopped. There are other treatments which prevent. So there are tablets which prevent it, and there are tablets which treat it. So whenever you have an acute symptoms, you need a treatment, and then in the night you can take one tablet which will prevent this thing. So that prevention tablets are also available, but they have to be taken for 1 to 2 years to prevent it. But the best prevention is avoidance. If you have a lung problem, then this can cause asthma. And then when you are closed to it, then you will get a difficulty in breathing and you can get a asthmatic problem. Then people who smoke, or if you are a passive smoker also, you can get the problems.